The biggest trap people fall into when starting dropshipping is they put so much emphasis on their first product launch. 99% of the time, your first product launch isn't going to be your winner, and you shouldn't put so much time into it. You should actually rush your first 10 products because one, you'll get into the flow of things. Two, you'll be able to learn from your mistakes as fast as possible. And three, after you get past the 10th product, that's when you start seeing results, and that's sort of when the snowball starts rolling and compounding. So you don't want to spend too much time on your first product launch and sort of make it perfect. That's the biggest trap that people go through, and that's exactly why I want to go ahead and give you guys this free segment from my program. Now, if you guys want to join my program, all you have to do is click the link below, sign up, watch the free training, and I'll be able to go ahead and explain everything you need to know on the free strategy session. They can book in the link below. Other than that, there's also free training if you guys want to learn how I go ahead and start and scale my e-commerce business to multi six figures. The free training is completely free in the description below. It's not some fake webinar, so don't worry about that. But let's get right into today's video.
Okay, I will try that out for sure. And we'll just see how it goes. And if we get some add to carts and we get a good click-through rate, then we can just proceed further on it.
Exactly. And this is going to be your first product launch. You definitely want to get to a point where you're launching products every single day, and then the more you test, the more chance you're going to find that winning product that's going to be able to make and pull in a lot of money. So you definitely don't want to put all your eggs into this first product launch. I know a lot of students really put a lot of emphasis on that first product they launch. So definitely don't fall into that trap. As you can see, you don't want to put too much emphasis on your first product launch. Question of the day: how long did it take for you to launch your first product? I know some people that spend literally weeks on their first ever product launch. How long did it take you? Before we end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consultant course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more value. Peace.